mission's easy, Captain.
I know. Let's get back to base.
Yep.
Oh, shit! Get back here!
One's here.
Oh!
Nicola, our man is dead. We're gonna have to leave him behind. Meet me in the back alley. Nicola! Right! Here, take off your jacket and your gun. Put your gun down. Here. Here's a hat. Here's a disguise. 2 little pistols for you. We need to hide your gun. Okay. I'm gonna put it behind this tree for later. Okay. And your phone over here. I'll keep the walkie-talkie. Let's get out of here right now. Oh look, the car's gone. They must be searching for us.
Base Price.
Base?
Price, you have 3 hostiles approaching your position. Find any weapons you have there.
Hey Nicola, you use the sniper. I'll use the machine gun and grenade. Mount it up. Let's prepare for them. You hear something? Let's prepare for battle. I think they're coming. There's a guy right there. Hey, let's get down. Okay, I'm gonna try to get in. Let's go. Yeah! Everybody's back! Headshot, Nicola. What do we do next? Hey, Price, good luck then. Dear Makarov, after you're done searching for killing Roach and Captain Price, I will send my best search party to go look for Nicola and bring him back. Love, Shepard. After me. Okay, I'm gonna take his sniper. You take my pistol. Go bring that back to headquarters. Pass me the walkie-talkie. I'm gonna go call in a helicopter. Let's go. Yeah. Base?
Price, how's it going?
Is that you, Ghost?
Yeah, I have Soap beside me, and we're just in a helicopter on our way to your location.
Why?
Nicola called and he said he needed a ride to headquarters.
Wait, 1 second. There's 2 people coming at me about a mile away. Can you get here quicker?
Yes, Price, we're on our way.
Ghost, I've been seen. I have to move my position. I gotta go. Where do you think Price is?
I don't know.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Get the weapons.
Trade? Okay, let's just put these in our pocket. We don't need the pistols for now.
Let's go find Price.
Price.
Price, what's up, man? How's it going?
Oh shit, there's guys coming. You and Price get out of here. I'll hold them off.
Come on, we have to go now.